Okay. Hello, my name is Sasha, and I just want to share my experience that I've had with pop-on veneers. For the absolute longest time, I have been just not being able to smile, just not being able to fully, shine, like, because of my dental problems. That was something that weighed heavily on my confidence as far as dating, interacting, just going out and mingling. Nobody wants to be outside when they can't even smile. But pop-on veneers has completely given me back my confidence. Like, I have my smile back, I have my confidence back. I can walk up to a person and be like, "Hi, what's your name?" I don't have to cover my mouth when I laugh. Like, it's such a confidence booster to not have to do that. I've been doing it for so long that it's just like second nature for me. But thanks to pop-on veneers, I have my smile back. I have my life back. I'm, eager to see what the future holds. And, I didn't have to go through expensive dental work. I didn't have to worry about, drilling and all those, medical tools that they would need to get my smile together. This is just a simple solution, very affordable, extremely easy, like almost to the point where it's too easy, where you know that saying, if something is too good to be true, then it usually is. Well, that doesn't apply with pop-on veneers. I thought that was the first thing that came to my head when I saw the ad for pop-on veneers. So I'm like, no, you know what? This seems too good to be true. It's not. It is exactly what it says it is. It sends you the kit, you make the mold, you send it back, boom, they send you your new smile. And it's so easy to pop on. It just, boom, just like that. And it's like, you're a new person. And I just want to thank pop-on veneers for giving me this level of confidence in myself and my smile. And I would absolutely recommend this to everybody. I don't care if you have missing teeth, chipped teeth, stained teeth, crooked teeth, or even if you just flat out don't like your teeth, My sister, she has beautiful teeth, but she has spaces. Like, the spaces in her teeth are what she says is a little too big for her comfort level. So once she saw my smile and the confidence that I had, she instantly was like, you know what? This is something that I need. It's a quick solution. If you don't want to wear it every day, you don't have to. But I'm telling you, once you get it, it's something that's just going to be a part of your routine. It's just like getting up, washing your face. It's just something it's just something that's going to be a part of your life. So I recommend this to everybody. Go out, get your smile back, get your confidence back. Like, we don't have to be out here struggling like this. Let pop-on veneers help you. Let them help you like they helped me.